What's up, y'all? We back. So we got the Hawk 110 and we got the RFZ with the motor swap, and it was having problems starting. The type of carb that he had was this one, and yeah, the choke mechanism didn't work properly. This was kind of stuck. I probably could have unstuck or whatever, but yeah. And certain things with the slide was kind of getting stuck. So yeah, old carburetor out of that one, and we got the old carburetor out of the 110 ATV. And y'all saw in the other video that we did the gasket swap and the carb swap, air filter and everything, and it feels good. So we're gonna see if it starts up, both of them, see if I gave it a touch. We got both the carbs off, and then we installed the new carbs. So right here, we got the PZ20 that I installed on here, nice little setup, and I did what I could to make the throttle was like horrible at first, but now it's, it's kind of snappy a little bit. It was way better. I mean, it was way worse when they dropped it off. And this one just had that runoff problem, and the slide was up, and it had the air leak from the gasket. So we replaced all of that. So we replaced all of that, man. And we just gonna see if this one start up nice and good and it stays on. We got the box charged up, so we can have some repeated starts if we need to tinker with anything on a carburetor. So yeah, guys, we're gonna start with the ATV. Now we got it on, hook up our positive and negative. Positive, we got our negative. Once we have those hooked up, we have to turn the key on. Make sure it's on, ignition on, and we should be good to start the bike. Let's go. We got the choke off. Still wants to run off a little bit. Let's see if we can lower the idle. Still wants to go. Oh, still creeping. There we go. Got the touch on that joint, y'all. Good. It creep a little bit, but let's see. Oh yeah. Woo. Oh yeah, Okay, baby girl back, y'all. We got her back. Yeah, this don't move. Yeah. Okay. Okay. We got baby girl back, guys. Woo! Almost ran over my foot. Can it go even further? Here we go. Yeah, so let's move on to the dirt bike, man. It didn't look too bad, but you know, we got a fresh one right here. Same style. Just gonna go ahead and install this one. Insert that back on. And now, guys, we ready to give it a first start. So let's make sure our choke is on. Our choke is up. That means it's activated. We got the kill switch to run. We got the key. We got the key switched on. And yeah, y'all, we ready to give it a kick. Let's see what it do. Let's see what it do. Choke off. Oh. That sound good. Oh man. That's good. You know, they just gotta secure the gas tank, man, but you already know what it is, man. BBS. Y'all stay tuned for the next one, man. We got both the bikes back. So, yeah, man. Stay tuned. Y'all have a good one.